Okay, intro.
Intro. I don't know where intro. I don't even know where we're going.
Intro in a new video.
Okay, new video. Don't know where we're going. Don't know where we're at.
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no.
You okay?
You guys all right? Okay, intro.
Intro. I don't know where intro. I don't even know where we're going.
Intro in a new video.
Okay, new video. Don't know where we're going. Don't know where we're at.
I don't know where we're going either. We're winging it.
But it's pretty cool.
Yeah. If you caught our last video, we were just right over here at the lookout. We outroed the video there. We came over here to snap a few pictures, and we are, that's cool. We're introing a new video here. I'm gonna try to get you guys another video or so to take a peek at, so you can get if you're not familiar with Wellsville, you can kind of get an idea that it's probably the nastiest place that I've ever seen or been to. So. And we're down to 2 machines. Scott took a pretty nasty tumble in probably 2 videos ago or so, and in the last video Rob took out his front right axle and probably a diff because it broke inside the diff. So hopefully he gets that situated. That's unfortunate, but these 2 are still hanging in there. If you're not familiar with the channel, if you're just tuning in, this is the first video you're seeing. 32-inch stickies. We just both recently built a cage, shock therapy springs, Halo 30 diff, Turner axles, Super ATV high clearance trailing arms. I'm still on stock A arms. Sherry's running the CT Raceworks boxed lowers. So that's pretty good. Pretty much the rundown. We're gonna go out and see what else we can find. What else you want to add?
It's fun here.
It's fun. What's the most fun thing so far? Put you on the spot.
Rocks.
The rocks. I like the rocks too. The rocks are my favorite. Every turn is something different. Every hill is something crazy. It's just incredible here. So hopefully we're doing the place justice for everyone. You just can't get a true perspective of how nasty this stuff is here on camera. So if you've been here and you're familiar with the place, hopefully we do a little bit of justice. If you're not, just know that it's a nasty place. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna head down this trail, head down towards the railroad tracks, skip up there, and we're gonna look for some stuff up that way. Maybe head to the creek, look for some other stuff there. So we'll see you out there. Alright, we're headed down this trail, coming out towards what looks like the railroad tracks and maybe the highway. We'll see what that looks like. I think I've seen a video or 2 of it.
Are we going under the highway?
No, I don't know, maybe. That's cool.
That is.
That's a nice little trail there.
Got some bikes over here.
Guys over there with RC cars.
Oh, really? Alright, guys. We're on the railroad tracks right now.
We'll give you a shot behind us here. That's pretty cool where we come down there. There's the one river, not really sure, probably a runoff of the Ohio River. Looks like good fishing. right, we're gonna cruise these tracks a little bit. We'll see you at the next stop. Some guys on a dirt bike here while we were sitting here eating lunch, gonna climb a couple hills for us. Oh wow, that was insane. He just, man, he nosed right into that tree.
That was graceful, man. That was...
Oh, I bet that felt like
Oh my. He's a foot from coming back down. That's awesome. Oh man, that's sick.
WD's back there or anything.
So we met this guy on the trail here. He's in a badass buggy. And he's taking us to this trail that we're not capable of doing, but we wanted to check it out. It's called Redbird. So let's see what happens. They're awesome. Actually moving pretty good.
Yeah. Some massive tires.
Yeah, they're 43's I looked at. Yeah. This is where I destroyed my buggy. That's a good one. Hey look, there's chapstick. Yeah, I tumbled down that. baby.
All right, he's gonna come up Redbird, which is an absolutely insane trail. I'll take you up here a little bit. Sherry's gonna film down here. Scott's actually riding along with them. So, but these first couple sections are, I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say this, I besides never gonna make it up here, but people surprise me sometimes, so we'll see. But we're gonna get him coming up here, and it's just absolutely insane of a trail. This is awesome. I appreciate him letting us film him coming up through here and showing us where it's at. Incredible. That is absolutely insane. Sherry, see that little cave behind you? This is probably the nastiest trail I've ever seen in my entire life, on video and in person. was absolutely insane. That's just insane. That's incredible. Isn't that wild?
Crazy that it can go so slow.
Now this is... Oh, that's cool. Scott's probably having the time of his life in there. Back tire's about ready to fall down. This was not the line I was thinking. He might be pulling up to back up. That's incredible. Nice driving. Very nice. Pulled up there to get his back end over, so he had more room up here. Get out of here. Wow. Look at this ledge behind me. It's insane. There it is, Redbird. An absolute insane climb. Props to the driver. I don't even think I got his name yet. Alright, my battery died. Once we got to the top, I come back down, and we're sitting at the base of Redbird now. I just want to give a huge shout out to Nate. That was his name that climbed that.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
Scott got to ride with him up through there. It was
Epic.
awesome. It was awesome to watch for sure. But we're gonna call this one a video, and we have a little bit of time left in the day. We're gonna go see if we can maybe get one more video for you to watch. So just want to say thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Again, thank you to Nate. That was awesome showing us here, and actually being able to see it is one thing, but being able to watch someone climb it is a whole different thing. So that was really cool, and he made it look fairly easy.
Yes.
I mean, all in all. But thanks again. If you like the video, shoot us a like, hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Hope you're enjoying the series, and hopefully we can get something else for you to watch. About it? Yep. All right, we'll see you on the next one, everyone.